Hey everybody, so today I'm going to do a tutorial, or a get ready with me rather. I asked you all on Instagram if I should film my favorite go-to smoky eye or if I should film a spring Deadgirlglam, and it was like 75-25. And y'all wanted to see the spring Deadgirlglam. So what I'm going for, I want to incorporate pink because that is such like an on-trend color for spring right now, and I think it could be fun. And I want to do the other one of these like Stila glitter and glow things that I got. I want to use this and do some sort of Deadgirlglam. I have no idea what this is what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. Also, I mixed up my room again. So once again, if every video is a different angle, I'm trying to figure out what the best angle is gonna be. So just forgive me because it's gonna be a process. But anyways, if y'all want to see what I come up with this spring Deadgirlglam, then just keep watching. Okay, so I think we're gonna start with eyes. Just because why not? So I'm going to take there's like 7 frogs in my throat right now. I don't even know what's going on. So I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics lid primer and I'm just going to pop that all over my lids with my finger. So I have a couple things here. I have 3 Makeup Geek shades, 2 Colourpop shades, and then my Shade and Light eye palette from Kat Von D. So I'm just going to be hopping between those. So the first shade I'm going to take is just going to be my crease color, and it's going to be Cupcake from Makeup Geek. I wanted to try to do kind of like cool tone pinks, but turns out I don't have a ton of cool tone pink eyeshadow, so that's that. I don't know, but just like this could be cool, and then like gray and black in the like inner and outer corner. That could be cool. So I'm gonna blend this like way up, like really blow it out. I really like this primer. I was always afraid of not setting my primers because I was afraid it was gonna make the like shadow like skip. But this primer is so good and you don't have to set it. And it just like picks up the color so beautifully. I'm obsessed. Okay, then I think we're just gonna work on our inner and outer corner. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna hop into my Shade and Light eye palette and I'm gonna take this like mid-tone kind of dark gray here. And we're going to pack that on our outer corner. That's what's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna take a flat, dense brush and we're just going to pack this in the outer corner and then in the inner corner as well. Did I just pick up black? Yeah, I did. That's okay. Probably gonna go in with black anyway, so whatever. Okay, so now I have the general. I'm just gonna add a little bit of black to this side to make it even. So now I'm gonna go in with just a blending brush and just softly kind of go over the edges. And go over the lid a little bit to just kind of soften it. Then I'm going to take black shadow on my Sigma E45 and I'm just going to really deepen up that inner and outer corner. When somebody suggested in my last video to do a spring Deadgirlglam, and they said like contrasting the like spring colors with black, and that's really what inspired me. So I want to do like a lot of black and then, you know, opposite it with, or not opposite, and then like contrast it with spring tones like pink. And this like Stila glitter and glow thing is like iridescent pink too. I'm just gonna connect it up here a little bit. Then I want a darker pink, but I'm very particular about the type of dark pink that I want because I don't want it to go neon. I want it to kind of stay like a muted pink. I think I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I think this is called Cute Alert. No, this one is called Stay Golden. This is still gonna be a little bit warmer than what I wanted, but honestly y'all, I really don't have a lot of pink shadow. So I'm just gonna take this color and just go right in my crease, right along that edge where the pink meets the black, so that way we get some depth. I know this is like sideways, so when I'm doing this eye you can't really see it, but it's the only way I can, because I have my ring light in front of me. I'm getting new lights. I have the ring light right now and 2 umbrella lights, but I want to get soft boxes so it's not like so harsh. Because if I put my tripod right in front of me, in front of my ring light, it just like, it blocks a lot of the light and it makes the videos too dark. So I'm figuring it out, y'all. I did not learn any of this in school or professionally. I'm just kind of spitballing here, so we'll figure it out. Okay, I really like that color pink. So then I'm gonna go back in with Cupcake and just build it up and blend it a little bit. Okay, I adjusted it a little bit so that we're more straight on. Sorry guys, I'm really trying to just, like I said, I'm just trying to figure this out. Okay, I want to put a little of this darker pink on my lid. So I'm just going to kind of pack it around that inside portion, just so it has some sort of pink base. I don't know, again, I always feel like these glitter and glow things aren't going to be that opaque, but I know they are. The other one was, so I don't know. But I just want to do a little bit of base. And then before I put that on, I'm going to go back in with black and really just deepen it up again. Okay, then I'm going to go in with this Here Goes Nothing, and let's just, oh god, I feel like, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know how to blend this situation. Let's pat. Okay, then we're just patting along the edges to try to blend it a little bit. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, okay. Sorry I'm so quiet, I'm just trying to concentrate. Oh my gosh, this looks like a galaxy. Oh my god. I'm just gonna pop a little bit more right on the center. Wow, that's pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so let's move on to face. I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Remarkable again because I want like full on. Actually, I'll mix it up. I'm gonna mix it up. Today I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter foundation because I want like a full coverage. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, I need to wet my sponge. Hang on. Okay, we're back. Also, if you hear a dog whining, my roommate's dog, Puppy, is currently in my room. So if you hear him whining, just because I'm not giving him enough attention, I promise. So I'm just going to take that on my Real Technique sponge. My face is breaking out so bad. Max foundation is so pretty. I always forget how much I love it. Okay, then we're just gonna build it up a little bit on these guys that just want to come out and play. That's okay. That's okay. We're just gonna hide you for a second. Alright, then I'm just gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. Look how cute. Look how cute they are together. I love this concealer. Seriously, one of my new absolute favorites. It's so nice. I love it. So we're just going to conceal and then highlight and then blend. Oh, what the hell? What? It just like, okay, hang on, let me blend out my under eyes. That just like completely lifted off my nose. Foundation and concealer are literally like the same line. How can they not work together? Like, how can you not play nice? What the hell is going on? The concealer stayed on my nose and all the foundation underneath just like left. Was just like, bye. Okay, that was weird, but I think we got past it. It's not looking that bad. Okay, then I'm just going to dab those creases on my under eyes away, and then I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Kat Von D Lock-It setting powder. Y'all, I might return this. I keep trying it, and it's kind of a chunky powder. Like, it is not finely milled at all, and like the only thing I like it for is setting my under eyes. I don't really like setting my face with it because I find I have to use so much. Like, it just doesn't spread. Like, you know how finely milled powder is just like you barely have to use any? This I only really like for my under eyes, and I don't want like a full-on loose setting powder just to set my under eyes, you know? Like, I'd rather get the blotting powder. It also has like a sheen to it. It's really, really weird. So I think I'm gonna return this. I really don't like it. I'm gonna set my entire face with, where are you? I don't know where anything is. Hi Max, you're so cute. I'm gonna set my whole face with my handy dandy NYX Set It and Don't Fret It, my Ride or Die. I was honestly like, I went into Sephora and I was going to get the, oh my god, my nose looks so bad. Anyways, I was going to get the Cover FX matte setting powder, and all they had was the Perfect setting powder, which if you have oily skin, tell me how you like the perfect setting powder because I was afraid it was not going to be oil control enough for me, so I wanted the matte one. They didn't have that, so I settled to try the Kat Von D because the Kat Von D has a ton more product in it for your money, so I was like, whatever. What? Hi. Hello. It has a lot more of it, like a lot more product for your money, so I was like, okay, well, I'll try that, and not a fan. Not a fan. Anyways, let's move on to the lower lash line real quick. I'm going to take Makeup Geek's Cupcake, and we are going to go in. Anyways, we're going to go in with this on our lower lash line in true Deadgirlglam fashion. Okay, then we're going to go in with that same kind of like pinky shade that we used. I'm going to go in with that same pinky shade, Stay Golden from Colourpop. Put that on my lower lash line. I wanted to try to make this different from what I normally do, but it's turning into the same thing. I mean, what can you do? Nothing really. I'm gonna add something fun. I'm gonna add some pink liner to my lower lash line because why the heck not? This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner Pencil in Boots. And we're gonna pop this on our lower lash line through our lower lashes too. Just kind of blend that down a little bit. Okay, so that's fun. That's fun. I like that. Okay. Then I'm just going to take a little bit of a darker pink and blend it down. That was too dark. That's okay. And again, go in on the lower lash line. Make it look real sunken in. Yes, I live for reds on the lower lash line. Okay, I'm into this. I like that. I like that. I like it. It's fun. Just gonna blend a little bit more up here. Pause the eyes for a minute because I got it to, I'm pretty happy with it at this point. So let's move on to face. I want to really focus on like cool tones. I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and I'm going to take the cool tone like bronzer contour shade. Yo, my foundation looks so bad. I wonder if that Urban Decay foundation has already gone bad. I feel like I haven't had it for that long and it shouldn't go bad, but oh my gosh, my skin looks so bad. I should have just gone with Marc Jacobs Remarkable. I was like, no, I'll mix it up. Marc Jacobs is like what I go to for perfect looking, full coverage skin. Decided to mix it up. That's what happens. Oh, whenever I'm on my period, I always get zits right here. And they're always so painful, and like putting makeup on hurts. Like putting bronzer on right here hurts him. But gotta love Aunt Flo, you know? I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. I don't want to like touch my nose that much because I'm afraid it's gonna like make it look even worse. But I'm just going to go down the sides of my nose a little bit with the same shade. Okay, I want some blush. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay blush in Rapture, one of my favorite colors. And this is the Delium Tools tapered highlighting brush. We're gonna focus that up towards the back of the cheeks. Ooh, yes. Oh, my skin looks so bad. Probably won't be able to tell, but it's bad. Okay, then we're gonna highlight a little bit, just a little bit. Let's mix it up, shall we? Shall we? I won't use the BH Cosmetics palette. I won't use it. I won't use the BH Cosmetics palette to highlight. I won't do it. I promise. I'll do something else. I'll mix it up. Let's kick it old school with one of my favorite highlights, the Ofra and Dupethat collab in You Glow Girl. Ooh, yes. I haven't used this in so long. It's so pretty. LK, thank you for blessing me with this because this is just my favorite thing in the whole world. Okay, no, I changed my mind. I'm gonna go fill in my eyebrows and then we'll come back and maybe put on some liner and some lashes. Actually, no. This is what we're gonna do. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm so all over the place today. I really should have done like a voiceover because I'm so out of it. Anyways, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna apply a tiny line of my Styli-style stylus liner just to my lash band. Oh, that got a little chunky. That's okay. Just to my lash band to hide my lashes. We're doing no liner today as we normally do with looks like this. And then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows and then we will come back and finish the whole look. Alright? Okay. Let's go. Alright everybody, we're back and accessorized and my hair is kind of done, if you can call this a style. I don't know. I thought it was kind of cute. Anyways, if you guys are wondering, I got this from Amazon and this is like a chain for like your pants, and I was just like, this could be cute, and put it around my neck. So if you're wondering, that's what's going on. I decided against that pink, and I'm going with this pink for my lipstick because I think this would be so cool and really tie in that glitter on the lid. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Respect the Pink. Respect it! What is it? Respect the pouch? Respect it! Anyways, so I'm just going to apply a little of this. Ooh, it's gonna make my teeth look yellow, but that's okay because my teeth are yellow anyway, so. Oh yeah, this is fun. I feel like, you know, the eyes were so, oh, it makes my teeth look so yellow, but that's okay. I'll just pose with my mouth closed. Anyways, I felt like this look was very, very, like, if I were to put a nude lip, this could be like very basic, but I feel like this brings it out into a world that I don't really venture into. So I'm really, really excited about how this look turned out. I think it's so fun. I think that if you are a festival goer, this could definitely be like a festival look, just add, you know, maybe some glitter on the cheeks, who knows. But I think this is so much fun and so springy, but still interesting and fun. So how many times can I say fun? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me tutorial situation. I love you all so much. Thanks for being patient with me while I rearrange my setup for the millionth time. I swear, sometime in the future I will have consistency, but hey, I'm mixing it up. It keeps it jazzy, keeps you guys guessing. Anyways, I love you all so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video.